Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, and on the right, we have the Loiley Drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. So, buckle up because things are about to get aerodynamic. First up, let's talk about the price. Bwine F7 is flying high at $258, while the Loiley Drone is cruising at a budget-friendly $99. So if your wallet is feeling a bit light, the Loiley might be your new best friend. But remember, folks, you get what you pay for. Or do you? Let's find out. All right, camera quality. The Bwine F7 comes loaded with a 4K UHD camera. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your hands. Meanwhile, the Loiley Drone has a 1080p camera. It's good, but let's be real, it's more like having your Uncle Bob who just discovered Instagram. If you want those crystal clear cinematic shots, Bwine is your go-to. But if you're just looking to capture some fun moments, Loiley has got you covered. Next, let's dive into the features. The Bwine F7 is packed with intelligent functions: GPS, optical flow mode, waypoints, orbiting, and even subject tracking. It's like the James Bond of drones. On the other hand, the Loiley Drone offers one key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and even a 360 degrees flip. It's like the party trick drone. Fun, but not exactly MI6 material. Let's talk about flight time. Bwine F7 boasts up to 60 minutes with its 2 batteries. That's an entire hour of pretending you're a super spy. Loiley, on the other hand, gives you about 25 to 30 minutes. It's more like a quick snack break in the world of drone flying. But hey, sometimes short and sweet does the trick. Portability is key when you're on the go. Both drones are under 250 grams, so no FAA registration required. But the Bwine F7 folds into the size of a hamburger. Yep, you heard that right, a flying hamburger. Loiley is also super compact and can fit in your pocket or backpack. So portability-wise, it's a tie. Both are perfect for those spontaneous adventures. Finally, user-friendliness. Bwine F7 is beginner-friendly with drop resistance and easy-to-follow tutorials. Plus, it has a one-key return function, so it's like having a homing pigeon. Loiley is also great for beginners and kids with features like headless mode and emergency stop. It's like the training wheels of drones. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses according to online reviews. The Bwine F7 is praised for its camera quality, advanced features, and excellent customer support. However, some reviewers mention its limited battery life and operating range. On the other hand, the Loiley Drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, though it struggles in windy conditions and lacks advanced functionalities like GPS. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for top-notch camera quality, advanced features, and longer flight time, the Bwine F7 is your drone. But if you're on a budget, want something fun and easy to use, and don't mind a shorter flight time, the Loiley Drone is a fantastic choice. Either way, you're getting a great drone that'll take your aerial adventures to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, Buy Smart family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, product links are in the description. Fly smart, and we'll see you in the next video.